Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. So guys, this collection is all about how to recycle and the useless tires in our different form used in our garden decoration ideas. How to recycle the beautiful garden decoration with the recycled tires designs. Tile looks so attractive, enhance the beauty of your home, enhance the beauty of your garden, because recycling process is very effective and everyone like the recycling and reusable things. Use as a flower pot ideas for garden decorations designs. Looks so attractive, looks so amazing. The most outstanding articles related to the designs of garden decorations. Hope you love the videos, the designs, the articles. I hope you enjoy my videos on daily basis. Keep watching, stay with me and enjoy the collection. The articles is so beautiful, the different designs, the different articles, reusable content, reusable ideas, how to recycle the tire for a garden decoration, for a pot areas, flower pot designs in the form of tire shapes. Thank you so much guys to watch my videos and to like my videos, to sharing my videos. All colors, all designs are new and trending and traditional. If you are interested in garden decoration, then this video is for you. Garden decoration ideas and look so attractive, look so amazing. Tire shape ideas, recycled tire shape for flower pot ideas. I hope this video is very effective, useful for you, and most demanding articles and most favorable ideas. How to use the beautiful tire in a beautiful garden decor tips designs. Thank you so much guys to watch the videos and to like my videos, sharing my videos. Flower pot, paint a flower pot ideas, and recycling process is very effective because recycling process decrease the dirtiness and enjoy the days of summer and spring season with the beautiful decorations designs. Thank you so much guys to watch, like and comment my videos on daily basis. Keep watching, stay with me, take care and bye bye.